is Ira, and for today we're going to do an outline effect made in Photoshop. So let's go. This is just pretty easy. So the first step is you open a new canvas. It's okay. We're going to use the default Photoshop size, rename it to outline effect. PS, change the resolution to 300 because I like, and then create. Okay, so there is the new canvas. Second step is choose your photo. For me, I downloaded a photo from pexels.com. Open, choose the photo that you want, and that's it. Third step is transfer this photo from your new canvas. So for me, I'm just going to drag and drop that. Fourth step is you're going to fix this photo. Make it fit in your canvas. What you need to do is Control T to select the photo and then put it in your canvas. Resize if you need to, that's okay. And that's it. The number 5 step is to select your subject. So for this photo, the subject is the girl. So we're going to just select that by using quick selection tool. Quick selection tool, and then this is what you're going to use. This one with plus sign to select the subject. So don't worry if there's an excess, it's okay. We're going to fix that anyway. So just outline your subject. Outline. So okay. If ever there's an excess of selection, you can always fix that by selecting this selection tool with minus sign and then fix it. So the next step is go to that layer, to the layer where the photo is, and then right click, select and mask. It will have a clear background. You can always change the view by going here, view mode. There will be a drop down menu. For me, I'm going to choose on layers because that's what I want. And then right down here is you can fix the outlines. As you can see that my outlines are not perfect. Okay, so you always have the options to smoothen it out by choosing how you want that to be smooth. So for me, I'm going to go for 100 because I like that. 100, and then that's it. If you're okay with that, and then just click OK. The 7th step or the next step is right click again and then layer via copy, and a new layer will be created. That will be your layer 2. So the next step is choose the second layer, which is the layer 2, and then go to layers, select layer style, and then choose outer glow. So now you can see the outline on the subject. You can always choose what outline do you want. It's on you. So for me, I want the opacity to be 100 because that's what I really want. The size, I'm just going to thin it out a little. So by 40. You have other choices if you want the elements or your techniques to be softer or precise. It's on you. I'm just going to add a little drop shadow here to make it separated from the background. So I want the size to be a little larger, and the spread, there is a drop shadow. So for me, that's good. And then if everything is good, then choose OK. Maybe we can darken the background a little. So for that, we're going to make the subject looks like it's separated from the background. So what we're going to do is Choose the layer 1 and then choose image, adjustments, and choose exposure. We're going to bring down the exposure a little bit so that it will darken a little. So since this is a Photoshop tutorial, why not add some logo? So I have a logo here. Choose file. Okay, so I'm going to open one. And drag the photo. Choose the layer where the logo is and Control T to resize. Resize your logo. And then that's it. I'm just going to add some text here. So let's try outline effect. And move your text here. To add some effects on your text, choose the layer where the text is, and then choose layer, layer style, outer glow, and then play with it. I'm going to add some drop shadow to separate it. Just going to make it black. And that's it. So we're done. This is just simple steps that you can really follow. This outline effect is so cool that maybe 60 to 80% of YouTubers or aspiring YouTubers is using it. So this is really handy tutorials. Please watch it. This could really help your life or maybe your YouTube channel. If you like my video, do not forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Hit the notification bell so that every time I've uploaded a new video, you will be notified. Give it a like and then share my video. Thank you. Bye.